Alright, today's festivities, we're gonna be paddleboarding here at Moana. Weather is beautiful. Finally, the past few weeks, months, it's been storming, raining, on and off, bad weather. But today is a beautiful Saturday. The sun is out. COVID still exists, but you know, everybody's starting to get their vaccines. Alright. We got the blow-up paddleboard here, and we are gonna set this up and get ready to paddle. Moana Beach Park. It's a very beautiful, blessed day. So happy to be outside again. Outdoors. A little adventure today. Nothing too crazy. Moana Beach Park. We're about to break down the paddleboard and see how quick it is. Go, babe. Press it. We're gonna go grab lunch. We're not sure where we're gonna go yet. Probably somewhere around Diamond Head side. We'll see you guys there. Alright. Cheers, baby. Oh, that was good. We are here at one of our favorite brewing spots here in Kakako area. Honolulu Brewing. Yeah? What are you drinking? A Green River Hard Seltzer. It's pretty good. And I got the one of these sour beers, Lilliput and Guava. Salad. I got the house burger with onion rings. We also added on a side of fries. There's only 4 pieces of onion rings. Hey, what did you get?
Garlic shrimp.
Garlic shrimp with rice and bok choy. Alright, we're gonna enjoy. Alright, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like what you see, like and subscribe. Mahalo, gee!